All right, today we're going to get back working on the paint job on the 93 C4. Again, I wanted to do this to show that you can do this yourself for basically less than $1,000 and get a pretty decent paint job. However, we're going to do a couple things different with this car that you don't have to do with your own. One of those being what we're going to do today. What we're going to do today on the C4, a couple things. Number one, there's not good airflow into the motor from the air cleaner assembly. And B, there's really no way to get the hot air out of the engine bay. So what we're going to do here is basically put some vents in the hood to where we can get cold air in and we can get the hot air out. What we're looking at here, this area right here, is right above the air cleaner assembly. And as you can see, it's getting the air from underneath the car. Air has to come up into the air filter and then into the motor. So what we're going to do is actually cut this area out, and we're going to add a grate on top of it with some fins in it to be able to direct the air into the air filter. The other thing we're going to do underneath these inner fenders, as you can see, we have a place here, we have a place here. When the hood's closed, these set basically kind of right over top of the AC compressor and this area back here. So what we're going to do there is we're actually going to add a vent up here to do the same thing, to try to get the heat, get some air into the engine bay to get the heat out of the engine bay. Now, will it work? I don't know, but we'll try. So, as we're starting with a flat hood, I'll show you what we do moving forward. Okay. We have got the inner fenders removed. They're actually held in by rivets, believe it or not, so I had to draw those out. And what we're doing here is I've drilled 4 holes in the areas that we need to cut out. On the front side, as you can see, we've marked it out to where the holes will actually be for the grates to go in. Okay, using the death wheel, we've got the holes cut out. So as you can see, we got the one cut out for air intake, and then the 2 for letting some heat escape from the engine bay. Again, it goes right in corresponding with the 2 or 3 holes that are not interfering in the bracing. So we'll shut this hood real quick. Maybe. There we go. So as you can see, with the hood closed, there'll be a nice area for air coming in, and there'll be some area for air to heat to escape. Keep in mind the inner fender will go to here, so theoretically this is about the only area you're going to get good airflow through, but it should circle around it. So either way, it's an area for some heat to get out. So next thing I need to do is we will draw up some templates for the louvers that we want to put in, and then Jordan will cut them out on the plasma cutter, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have the holes cut out, and as you can see, I've outlined where the vent is going to go on both sides and in the front. So basically we're at the point now where Jordan's just going to have to cut it out on the plasma cutter and bend them up and see how they fit. But hope this project will be wrapped up here pretty quick and move on to the next one.